Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Ford Edge, but what we'll be doing here actually will apply to Lincoln MKX first generation and Ford Edge first generation, guys. We'll show you how to remove or how to replace rear interior door handle. We'll demonstrate on the rear left side, rear right will be the same way as well. Stay with us, that's what we'll be doing. Quick introduction, guys, we'll show you what needs to be done, but in the meantime we'll guys have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge. Why, guys? Because our mission here at the shop simply is to save you guys as much money as we can. Please take advantage, subscribe to the channel, guys, give a like to the video, that's all we need in return. Now if you need to buy a new replacement handle, guys, if you need to buy any tools or parts for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get all that, okay, for a really good price, fast shipping as well. This is, guys, this is the rear door handle, guys, okay, out of the car. That's what it looks like. Stay with us and we'll show you, okay, what needs to be done. We'll demonstrate on the rear left side, but the rear right will be the same way. So let's go ahead and start on it now. What we need to do, we need to get a small flat head screwdriver. We need to open one cap in the interior door handle right there. Once we do that, okay, we need a small Torx, okay, let me find it somewhere here, guys. Torx 20 star looking bit, okay, I think it's this one right there. Perfect. Go ahead and remove this one now, all the way. Okay, great. Guys, what we need to do, we need to get a plastic panel remover too. We need to remove that cover for the interior door handle. Okay, just like that. You can see came out. Now what else, guys, we need to do? We need to go ahead, okay, and remove another bolt right there with 732 socket, guys. There is one screw hidden in the door handle. Go ahead and pull that thing out all the way. Perfect, you can see it's out. Now we have a few more screws that we need to remove in order to be able to pull the door panel out. Okay, Phillips head screwdriver, and here we have one screw, one on the bottom, perfect. Now we probably have some underneath, guys, and we most likely, okay, we have two underneath, guys, that we need to remove as well. One towards the front. Okay, perfect. Now we have two more. Okay, one Phillips screw right here and one towards the top. So you can see we got all of those out. Now, good thing about that door panel is not held in place by too many clips, maybe 3 or 4, I think probably 3, because you can see how many screws we had, so that's a good thing. Now we'll get a plastic panel remover too. Get underneath somewhere, pry, okay, pull up, come out of the lock, and now we need to disconnect the switch, guys, okay, the window switch right there. Press in, pull out. Now let us show you where all the clips are located, guys. One clip, two clips, okay, I think here maybe that's a clip too, let me see. Well, maybe not. So not very many clips, guys, as you can see, that hold the door panel in place. So now, guys, the interior door handle, okay, right here you can see we had to remove the door panel because we'll have to disconnect it. We have a spring as well. Make sure you stay with us until the end because we'll show you how to install it the correct way as well. Now we need to get the pliers, guys, okay, pliers like that, and we're going to squish these two things here so we can pull the cable out. Okay, like that, and it comes out. Now the handle, guys, on the top, okay, we need to push it forward. Okay, it will be tight, guys. Okay, perfect, it came out. Now There is a spring that still has a little bit of pressure, but you need to lift it up to come out of the bottom. and this is the spring. When you want to disconnect it, all we have to do, come here, pull it out. This is, guys, the interior door handle. Now we'll show you guys how to install it. So now, guys, we need to go ahead and reconnect the cable. Okay, it goes only one certain way. Now it's very important that spring needs to come this way. Put the handle on the bottom first. Okay, underneath. Okay, we're not in. No. We just need to come in first right here, guys. Check it out now. Okay, like that. And just go back until it clicks. Get the cable, push it in all the way. And now, guys, you're ready to go. All you have to do is install your door panel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.